You know, in many ways, this heat storm was unprecedented. We had 6 days in a row with over 105-degree temperatures. So, you know, it's really putting stress on our system.
Sacramentans are accustomed to hot summers, but the week of 4th of July sizzled like a firecracker. Daily temperatures averaged 14 degrees higher than usual. And while air conditioners worked overtime across the county, SMUD crews put in long hours in difficult conditions to restore power to customers as quickly as possible.
We didn't really have too many more outages than we normally had, you know, weeks prior. And, you know, the crews got on it pretty quickly when we had a failure, and, you know, we fixed things and got people back in order.
When heat waves and winter storms cause a spike in power outages, SMUD prioritizes its restoration efforts. Public and employee safety is the first priority. SMUD then focuses on restoring power to critical facilities such as hospitals, water pumping stations, and police and fire departments. Large area outages are the next priority, followed by smaller, scattered outages. Preparing beforehand is essential in helping SMUD weather the storm. This involves making sure that all equipment is in good working order and that enough hands are on deck to respond to any power failures.
Overall, everybody was ready, the equipment performed well, and most customers were back on within an hour.
SMUD communicates energy and cost-saving tips to help customers manage their comfort and electric bills during unusually hot days and nights. The best way for customers to keep their homes cool is not to let them heat up in the first place. This is done by keeping windows closed and blinds drawn during the day. Limiting the use of household appliances also helps keep residences cooler. Setting the thermostat just a couple of degrees higher saves the customer money and places less stress on the electric grid. The outage map on SMUD.org shows the extent of the problem and gives customers the estimated time their power will be restored. Oftentimes, power is restored quicker than the estimate, in keeping with SMUD's commitment to providing safe, reliable service.
Every outage is a high priority for us. And because of the fact that we've got 26 troubleshooters that could be on in the district, you know, we've got the ability to dispatch people to multiple issues simultaneously.
SMUD and its customers breathed a sigh of cool relief when the heat wave of 2013 left town.
6 days in a row, though, with 105 is always going to tax our system. And, you know, there's a building over there filled with broken transformers to show it.
In better shape were the SMUD crews on the ground, working to keep their customers' power on.
Most important to me is that we had no heat-related injuries during the course of the storm.